All right, sweetie. So you came in after your initial consultation, which is just the first hour of body work, and you've already seen some pretty exciting results. But you had mentioned something about like immediately realizing how different this is than anything you've tried before. Can you elaborate on that a little bit?
Yeah, so I have tried deep lymphatic massage several different places, and when I came in here, one, I could tell that you were really knowledgeable and really loved what it was that you did, and you just kind of answered questions as we went along. But really the next day is when I noticed a big difference, and what I noticed is it really did just look like my skin was laying on muscle, and I could just tell that that layer of fluid was completely gone actually. So my stomach never laid flatter, everything looked toned, so it was just a big difference from what I had seen before.
What kind of things had you seen before?
Well, nothing in some cases, you know, it was like they were basically just, I'm not really sure what they were doing for the hour or hour and a half. And then in some cases I would notice a little bit of flatness, like maybe the top of my stomach, but it would still,
The bottom.
yeah, it would come out. And so, but really just, I didn't really notice a big difference. It felt better, but I didn't notice a big difference.
And then this time with this work that we do in here, it was undeniable.
Undeniable, big difference, yeah.
Awesome. And then you actually had some changes in your menstrual cycle where it harmonized out even after just that first hour as far as going from super heavy to being more balanced. Is that right?
Right.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And then you had mentioned that you're wearing your compression socks less. So can you tell us why you're wearing them in the first place and kind of what you've noticed with that?
Yeah, just after I work out, it feels a lot better. Like my legs just feel really heavy, and so I started wearing compression socks. And after I came to see you, you know, I've had to put them on a lot less. So I'd wear them right after workouts. I'd wear them a lot of times at night, and maybe it would be daily, at least twice a day. And now maybe it's a couple times a week.
Oh my gosh, that's
So
a huge difference.
It's a big difference, yeah.
So noticing like less swelling after workouts, and it sounds like in general maybe your legs are just holding less fluid like throughout the day.
Yep.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
Well,
yeah.
that is so exciting. Those are
Yeah,
huge
it
results
is,
after
it
just the
is.
first hour.
No, it is. I absolutely love it. You're amazing at what you
Aw,
do.
that's so sweet. Thank you. And you just got worked on for your first full session. How are you feeling right now?
I feel great. Yeah,
Awesome.
I'm excited for tomorrow, really.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.